We'll talk about the bull run. It looks like everything is bullish, people. Bitcoin wants to reach a new all-time high, while XRP wants to stay at $3. We'll talk about a lot of different options. When will Bitcoin finally reach the $150,000 mark in Q1 of 2025, and will we see the surge that many have foreseen? I'll take care of you. Simply said, relax and take a seat back. Now let's dive straight into a Bitcoin worth $102,574. As of right now, it's up 1.39% from the previous day. Ethereum is currently trading at $38.89, up 0.62%. Lust USDT and USDC are still trading at 99 cents each while we wait for the anticipated release of the Ripple stablecoin. For today's second video, which is about wallets, we do have some notes. Since Ripple's official website page has been made public, we may expect the stablecoin to launch. I would assume any day now, unless they intend to delay it till the January 1st launch in the new year. The charts for XRP are displaying signals of strength and optimism at $2.40. As of right now, it is 6.7%. From here, where shall we go? Considering that $3,666 billion, or between 3.5 and 4 trillion, is still the total market value of cryptocurrencies. All right? Everything seems to be bright. It all seems to be going smoothly. The Martini guy had made his all-point forecast by January 1st. He expects to do a nice push-up and a nice move up in general over the last 2 weeks of December. He has a hypothesis. I'm coming in at over $5,300, and he has XRP breaking above $3 and reaching $3.10. Phantom. 4 didn't know 20 coins at a quarter heart. I owed her 90 cents when I passed away, and Polkadot came at 20 cents. It would be a 2x in 2 weeks. The return side coins, which total $400 per Monday at a rate of $1.50 by January 1st, are what we have been buying. Can you locate them elsewhere? Could Solana someday make a splash and get into the $300 age range? Watching that would be incredible. It looks like it might be, considering how optimistic the markets seem right now. There is some green. For a number of months now, it appears like Bitcoin is prepared for its next surge. We have been talking about how the first quarter of 2025 is going to be a great time for the bigger cryptocurrency markets. Not limited to Bitcoin. Since it is the reason for the correction during the US tax season, it is not just any coin, but all of them. Those blow-off tops followed the March-April decline. I am ready for what 2025's summer and autumn will bring. About you, I don't know. I only hope that XRP does something. When it happens, which I believe will happen very soon, give us a market capitalization of $1 trillion and surge above $1.1520. Because, as I'll tell you now, those locations will completely explode. As XRP's price increases, holding it becomes increasingly challenging. Why is that? It's simple. As you earn more money, you'll notice more changes in the price of XRP, like the recent decline from nearly $270 to $1.90. It looks like you are losing money at the moment the more you look at the portfolio, and the game starts to challenge your brain. When XRP was set at, say, 50 or 60 cents, we were seeing these little 5-cent swings. It was easy. It was just a walk. Yes, it's only 65 cents. I know this will go back to 60 cents. Everything is fine. But as we move up into the 2-, 3-, 5-, or $10 range during a bull run, corrections are rather regular. During the bull cycle, we hit 5, but then we fell back to 3 like a chunk of ice. Man, I should have sold at 5. I just lost tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. The process is painful for the body. It is very draining. This was released by Dr. Profits. The box world, and what's next, he stated. The upside is the next move, he says. He's talking about Bitcoin. It's exactly what he called this, and it's true. Box 2 was between $45,000 and about $72,000. As you can see, we called for the breakout when it was supposed to happen after a short period of sideways movement. We would go into the $90,000 to $100,000 level. As you can see, that box about corresponds to where we are at right now, which is around 105,000. After 1 or 5 rests, he is prepared to perform a massive push-up, bringing Bitcoin's price up to about 125. We told you that 108 to 115 are the numbers we are looking for. It will be easy to get $150,000 on Bitcoin. But we must leave the box 3 range that we are now in. The market as a whole will increase if Bitcoin does. Once it has completed increasing Bitcoin, money will rotate out and into altcoins. I can taste our proximity. I feel it. On social media, the sentiment is clear, starting to become really optimistic. You can see some of these charts throughout the weekend. They simply keep getting closer, and before you know it, they've already done it. Depending on the races we attend, 2% of 5% of 50% equals 100%. I would want to remind you that around Thanksgiving in November, XRP was only selling at roughly 60 cents. Then, 2 weeks later, XRP flew up from 60 cents to $2.70 to $2.80 in just 2 weeks. People, when we discuss these targets, we're talking about the same time frame here in just 2 weeks. That's all. There could be a lot of changes and developments in the Bitcoin sector in 2 weeks. Pay close attention to his bullish time frame, which is the bullish phase of the cycle that we are about to enter, especially after the crypto minute. The expert explains his cryptocurrency seizure and projects that XRP will reach $2.90. According to his prediction, XRP will soon hit $2.90. Between $225 and $250, the XRP market formed a consolidation, and there is no variation in this forecast. Since November 5th, the altcoin XRP has increased by almost 340%, making it one of the biggest market winners after the US elections. He cried. According to a recent cryptocurrency tweet, XRP is presenting a potential price trajectory to reach $2.90. He stresses the importance of XRP closing over 250 on its hourly chart. Thus, there should be a significant price hike as a result. All coins are expected to retest at 260. This suggests that bulls in the market need to buy more at this price point. He claims that the bull market is still running strong and that we are up to $2.94, which is just 24.4% off its peak after $2.60 past the retest. Hello everyone, the weekly closure is today. XRP seems to be doing nicely at the moment. Now that the walls and resistance are around $240, it's hovering in this range, which is ideal for XRP to generate momentum and enable people to set, let's push up in the next blast off to that $3 range. My non-traders think cryptocurrency is amazing. You need to magnify the image a little bit to make sure you retain the main idea. Both XRP and this structure seem to be quite well maintained and optimistic. It's truly insane. Pay no attention to what happens throughout these brief intervals. It's all noise. Therefore, if you are not training XRP, ignore the shorter durations for the time being. Since you can tell where the positive trajectory is going by zooming out and looking at the XRP chart, it is almost time to leave. Let me blow this up for those. Are you looking at the screen? That's it. Were we going to recover 2017? Because it could happen. After that, we'll see a push up to 290. And as the year goes on and the bull run continues, we'll enter Q1 of 2025. If that happens, that's normal. At $20 to $30, XRP is in its final blow-off stage in the crucial cryptocurrency market. He asserts that the $1 million market capitalization of XRP is essentially a lock-and-target situation. The numbers for XRP's $1 million market capitalization are shown here. As we can never foresee where a blow-off top will lead us, we expect XRP to be between $20 and $30 and maybe even higher. We are still very early in this bull run, as I have stressed on this channel before. The appetizer was just plain clear. They have already taken your plate away and are getting ready to plate the main course when it is presented. The third, fourth, and fifth waves will now be visible to you. These will give us a parabolic explosion and help XRP reach the $20, $30, or even $40 price target.